Hey cool cats and kittens, welcome to my photography corner. Literally, I'm in a corner. I feel like that guy that used to live under the stairs, the Harry Styles with the rings and... You know what I mean? Well, we are now on the 18th of February and so far, apparently, there hasn't been a single day that it hasn't rained in the UK. And seeing that the weather outside is frightful, oh, but the feeling is so delightful, I thought I'd go back and restart what I once started and never really seen it through: film photography. I will start a playlist on the homepage of the channel, which you will see if you subscribe. And it'll be only film photography, because I'm ancient and I like film photography, so makes sense. First video in my series of film photography will be featuring this little guy here, the LOMO 135BC, a nice cute little piece of Soviet film making. I will show you how to unload the film from the LOMO 135BC. Hopefully it will be quick, easy, painless for me and for you. And yeah, congratulations, you are now officially watching the first video of the film photography series of the man with the pink tripod. Did you subscribe yet? No, you didn't. I can't blame you. Come on, let's do this. Alright. LOMO 135BC, made in the USSR. Made. Let's unload the film. I'm going to, if this goes well, and I hope it will, I'm gonna make a few videos about each of the cameras that I have, a bit more detail, but so far I just want to get this whole film photography section of my channel started, and also it's going to go towards providing me with some accountability. If I start doing it, I'm gonna have to do it. I'm not gonna stop like last time. Right, let's take the film out first. I think I've got some color film in here. What do? We unscrew this knob here, which releases the mechanism. We lift this knob here and clockwise. Is this clockwise? It is clockwise. And then clockwise we go round and round. I don't know if I should sing a song. Let's sing a song. Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Knob on the LOMO. Okay, I heard a little click, and all of a sudden I'm not feeling any resistance in the knob. Let's put that back. Let's twist this back as well. Turn this there to open it, and slide the back off. And there's the film. Color. Yeah, it was color. Right. That's the film out. And I suppose I might as well do another video with how to load the film in the LOMO BC 135. Even 135 BC. Never mind. There's the camera. There's the film. Thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe. Let's do this photography thing film edition. Love you, bye!